Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you, step by step, how to obtain a bank ownership certificate from BBVA. This document confirms that you're the account holder and is often required for official procedures. Let's get started. First, open the BBVA app on your phone and log in with your credentials. Next, from the main menu, go to Accounts and select the account you need the certificate for. Then, look for the option called Certificates or Proof of Ownership. Now, choose Account Ownership Certificate and confirm the request. After that, you can either download the certificate in PDF format directly to your phone or choose to have it sent to your registered email. Finally, keep the document saved or printed for whenever you need it. That's it. Obtaining your BBVA Bank Ownership Certificate is quick, simple, and can be done entirely online. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy, step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching.